Hi everyone, good morning dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have been discussing exercise part of the lesson called Who I Am. Dear students, we have been discussing different skills of men. Okay, what are the skills? The first one adventurous and creative. Next one in today's class we are going to discuss, that is inquirer. Okay, and next communicator. Last one idealist. In this session I am going to discuss you how to be a best inquirer and how to be a best and effective communicator. Last one idealist. You might have come across many idealistic people, or what you call ideal personalities, like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Swami Vivekananda, like that. How you to become idealist in your upcoming life, that is we are going to discuss here. In first one, what are the elements in the inquirer? Dear students, if you want to inquire something, you have to practice some skills. Then only you will be able to speak in a perfect manner. You will be able to inquire in a systematic way. What are those elements? And one more thing I would like to tell you, what we have been discussing here. We have been discussing in this class various skills of men. Everybody has different skills. In the lesson we had been discussing different skills of a particular boy. Every kid has its own skill. So what we call individual difference. Okay, we come across so many individual differences. According to some skills, according to such skills, you have to develop your personality. Okay, in inquirer part, you have to discuss. You are systematic. You have to be always very systematic, logical. You have to practice logical, thinking. If you want to inquire, if you want to, ask about something, you must have some logical skill. Okay. Next, practical. Always you have to be very practical, organized. You have capacity to organize something in a systematic way. Next, inquisitive means acquisition, to grasp something in correct way. Next, through outward looking, rational, studious. Always you have to be study well. You have to update your information. Methodical. So this is also the very next, initiative and methodical. These two aspects are very important in logical reasoning. Okay. Next, communicator. It is very essential part in our life. In your upcoming life, if you want to become IAS officer, a KIS officer, okay, if you want to join first grade officer, where you have to give interview in very effective mode. Then if you want to become a best communicator, best speaker, you have to develop your communication skill. Then if you want to develop your communication skill, what are the elements you have to follow? The first one, confident. You have to be confident. Wherever you go, whatever you do, dear students, you have to be confident. You have to be speak confidently. When you are giving interview, here you have to be very confident. Okay. Next, intelligent. You have to be very intelligent. Intelligence means, if you want to become intelligent, what you have to do? You have to acquire continuously knowledge. Okay, that is why the APJ Abdul Kalam once said, if you want to become something in your life, means if you want to get success in your life, you have to follow what you have to follow. You have to acquire continuously acquiring knowledge. So that is the biggest message given by APJ Abdul Kalam. Next, creative. You have to speak technically creative. Everybody comes and speaks in a same way, but you have to speak creatively. Your body language should be changed, your gestures will have to improve, and your speaking style, your pronunciation, everything will be counted. Next, talkative. You have to practice yourself before entering to the communicative interview hall, before going to participate in the elocution competition, what you call speech competition. Before that, you have to practice yourself. Every day you have to speak and fluently and practice yourself. So that is very important to be communicative, improve communicative skills. Next, opinionated. Opinionated means always you have to share your opinions openly, and then only you can improve your communication skill. Next, forthright, sociable, eloquent. Always you have to be in the group. Always you have to be social. You should not be stuck on a particular a place or something. Always you have to be in the group of socially. You have to be involved. Then only you can become a communicator, a best communicator. Next, idealist. What you call ideal? How to become ideal person? What are those elements that we have to discuss under idealist? First one, hopeful. Always you have to be you must have hope about something. For example, if you have a goal to become IAS officer, to become a president of India, it may be anything. One must have big aim. Small aim is crime. You should not have small aim. Always you must have big aim. Okay, and then only you will able to become idealist person. Next, selfless, not selfish. Selfless, you cannot recognize anyone. You have to work with accept nothing. You should not expect anything from anyone. You have to work selfless. You have to work accept without accept anything. Okay, that is very the what shall I tell, fundamental aspect of the idealist. Okay, Mother Teresa, one of the greatest ideal woman in the world. She sacrificed her entire life to the leprosy people. She didn't expect anything from the government, anything from the charity, anything from anyone. So that completely she dedicated to the leprosy child. Those who were undergone into the poor condition, those who were undergone into the difficult situation in their life, she tried to put them, bring them into the mainstream of the society. So that's the reason selfless duty is the fundamental element of the idealist. Next, romantic, radical, frank. You have to be express your feelings in open, very fluently. And frank, always you have to be very frank. You have to be straightforward. Okay, political, rebellious. Always you have to be rebellious. Okay, you have to contact with some political parties, political principles, and always you have to be rebellious. If justice unjust is going on in front of you, you should not keep quiet. You have to raise your voice. So then only you can be able to be an idealist. Like socialist, it is very important. You have to diagnose what are the problems of the social, what are the problems of the community, like unemployment. So all these elements you have to keep in your mind. So to be idealist very difficult. Okay, already we have discussed some elements of inquirer, next communicator. Very easy to become a communicator. If you practice 1 or 2 months, you may become best communicator. Okay, if you practice as the same way for 1 or 2 weeks, you will become a best inquirer. But among these idealist, so means to become ideal person very difficult. You have to practice every day. You have to, what you speak, you have to follow. What you follow, you have to speak. So that is the the main aspect of the idealist. And with this, I will stop here. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day.